Okay. So till now what we did that we have created a data frame. In whatever method that we have created a data frame, it may be from a list of list, it may be from list of dictionary, dictionary of list, maybe from 2D array, maybe from other method. Means whatever method that we have adopted, means we have to assume that we have created a data frame. Now how we can perform the different operation with that data frame? So yesterday I have created this data frame. I'm simply import pandas as PD, import numpy as NP. Then I'm making a dictionary having key roll number and this is a value. This is again a key and these are the values. Again a key and these are the value. So what is this? This is actually dictionary of list, dict of list. From this dictionary of list, I am making a data frame df equals to pd dot data frame from d. So when we make data frame from dictionary of list, then all the keys of this dictionary will become the columns of the data frame, and this list becomes the column of the data frame. Means vertically this column will be assigned to a data frame. So there is no need to give the columns in this data frame function because columns will be assigned automatically. Now we can assign the index. So I'm assigning the index using this for loop a b c d e. So as there are 5 values are there, so I'm assigning 5 indexes in this a b c d e. So let's see the output of this. So I'm executing this program. So I have did not do anything new in this. So this is simple output, roll number, name and F name. These are the columns is because these are the key of the data frame. And I have assigned the indexes also A, B, C, D, E. So that's why these are the indexes. And this list is assigned vertically 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So assume that this is a data frame. Now what I want from this, first thing, write down the first thing, display a particular, yeah, accessing the particular column. How I can access a particular column? Yesterday also I told you about this, how I can access a particular column. So print df, suppose I want to display roll number, then in the square bracket simply write roll underscore no. So this is a very simple method by which we can access the particular column from the data frame. So now what we want to display the roll number column from the data frame. Suppose I am printing print df, then it will print the entire data frame. But now suppose I just want to print a single column. So in the square bracket, we have to mention that column in a single quote, in a single quote or double quote. So simply I am printing this. So it will displaying just the roll number. Is it clear or not? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So similarly, suppose I want to display F name, then simply df in square bracket F name, then it is displaying the F name. The another method that I can use, simply df dot, you can use the column name without any square bracket. Df dot F name will also display a value of that column. So this is same. So df, then in the square bracket double quotes F name, or we can write df dot and then the column name. But remember that this method df dot column name, this method can be used only with a single column. Suppose we want to display simply a roll number, then I can use df dot roll number. Suppose I want to display name only, df dot name. Suppose I want to display F name, then simply I can use df dot F name. But suppose I want to display multiple columns at once. I want to display multiple columns. Suppose I want to display name and F name also. Then I cannot use this method. This method can only be used with a single column. Suppose I want to display multiple column, then I can use this square bracket. Then by putting the comma, we have to provide the list of that column that we want to display, like this. So print df, then in the square bracket, I have to mention in double quotes name, comma, f name. It will display two columns, name and f name. Let's see the output. It is not showing anything. What is the problem?
सर डबल स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट लगेंगे ना?
हाँ, yes. Yesterday I also told you that this becomes inside this double square bracket. Okay, let's see the output. It is displaying this two columns. So for displaying the multiple things, besides this outer square bracket, we have to mention the inner square bracket also. Clear? So this is very simple method by which we can access a particular column from the data frame. Clear? Any doubt in this?
सर अगर 3 कॉलम नेम प्रिंट करने होंगे तो 3 स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट लगाने पड़ेंगे?
नहीं, इसके अंदर आप कोमा देके इसको आगे बढ़ाते जाइए। जैसे अब मुझे रोल नंबर भी देना है, ऐसा नहीं है कि जितने कॉलम देने उतने स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट, नहीं, दिस इज नॉट अ मेथड। बस केवल ये है कि जब लिस्ट आप देते हैं तो 2 स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट यूज करेंगे। अब जैसे नेम, एफ नेम, रोल नंबर, तो अंदर आप लिस्ट बनाते जाइए तो 3 कॉलम आ जाएंगे, स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट तो उतने ही रहेंगे। यू कैन सी द आउटपुट, नेम, एफ नेम एंड देन रोल नंबर। ओके, एनी डाउट इन दिस?
नो सर।
ओके
सर अगर df डॉट करके हम 2 कॉलम एक साथ दे तो?
हाँ, वो नहीं दे पाएंगे। दिस मेथड कैन ओनली बी यूज विद अ सिंगल कॉलम ओनली. If we want to
Okay,
access multiple column, then we have to use this method only. Clear? Now suppose like dictionary also, suppose I want to change the value of a particular column. Now think, in data frame lots of operation are performed only column wise, because columns are very important in the data frame. What I want, suppose I am writing df, then in the double quotes name equal to, what I am doing, like dictionary name, then square bracket, I am providing the key and then I am providing the value. So like dictionary, if that particular key is exist in the dictionary, then it will update the existing value. And if that particular key is not exist in the dictionary, then it will add a new item in the dictionary. So similarly, it will do with this also. Suppose df, then in the square bracket, I am providing name, because name column is already exist in the data frame. Now suppose I am providing here, because name column having 5 values, so I have to provide the 5 values. Now suppose whatever the name that I am providing, suppose 5 values I am providing here. So what it will do? Any guess in this? Df name equals to this. Then suppose I am printing a data frame df. What it will do? Any guess in this?
सर जो डेटा फ्रेम में हमने नेम दे रखे हैं वो सारे नाम एडिट हो जाएंगे?
हाँ. The earlier name, that is Amit, Dinesh, Rishita, Isneha, Samyak, will be changed by these new names. So let's see. All names have been changed. Instead of this Amit, Dinesh, Rishita, Isneha, Samyak, SD, SDEF, whatever the name that we are providing, these are changed. So similarly like dictionary, similarly like series also, df name, because this name column is already exists in the data frame, so it is changing that value that exists in that column. But suppose you are providing a scalar value here. Now remember one thing, suppose I am providing some scalar value Amit, then what will happen? Df name equals to 1. What do we mean by the scalar value? Scalar value means name column having the 5 values. Name column having 5 values, Amit, Dinesh, Rishita, Isneha, Samyak. Okay. So instead of providing 5 value, I am providing only a single value. This is called scalar value. What will happen? Any guess about this? What should be the output?
सर पांचों नाम अमित हो जाएंगे।
पांचों नाम अमित हो जाएंगे. गुड. In the case of scalar value, you can see all the names will be the Amit. Okay. I'm giving you this in your WhatsApp group also. So suppose we are doing this scalar value, then all the existing name will be changed. Okay. Now suppose I am giving a column, suppose any column name which is not exist in the data frame. Suppose address. df address equals to then Amit. This is again a scalar value. What will happen? It will, because this address column is not exist in the data frame. So by default system will add a new column in the data frame named as address. And here we are providing a scalar value. So this will, Amit will be repeated for each row for that data frame. So what will happen? It will add a new column address with all the values filled with Amit. You can see the output like this. Clear? I am sending again this code. So this is a method also by which we can add a new column in the data frame. So you can write down the heading how we can add a new column in the data frame. Here you can provide the individual values also. Suppose the 5 values also, like the addresses, suppose quota, then because there is 5 rows, so we have to provide the 5 values. Okay, like this also I can do. So in this case, what will happen? Kota will be assigned for the first row, Delhi will assign for the second row, Kolkata will assign for third row, then Jaipur, then Udaipur. So like this, we can add a new column in the data frame. I am sending this in your group also. Is it clear or not? So this is, so till now what we did, that we have created a data frame in whatever method that we have taken. So then how we can access a particular column from a data frame. So we are finding the solution that how we can access a particular column and how we can add a new column in the data frame with the desired value. And we also get the solution that how we can edit the values for a particular column, entire column. So we are accessing the data frame through the entire column. Any doubt in this? Any question that you want to ask? Okay. Now suppose what we want now, we want to access a particular value. Suppose I want to access this 12. Suppose I want to access this daily. So till now we have accessed an entire column like entire address, entire F name, entire roll number. I want to access a particular value like 11, like 13, like Dinesh, and I want to change also. Suppose I want that instead of Dinesh there should be another name like Ramesh. Instead of Dinesh, there should be Ramesh. Then how I can do this? Okay. So to access a particular value, write down the heading. How we can access a particular cell, we can say cell, or we can say particular value. So suppose I'm writing df dot name. Suppose I'm displaying this df dot name. Let's see this. Print df dot name. What it will do, it will simply displaying the name column. Now what I'm doing, display df dot name 0, suppose. Let's check this. It will give us error. Suppose in the square bracket I am providing this. Okay, it's fine. instead of this small bracket, there should be a square bracket. So when I'm writing df dot name, then it is displaying the entire column, because df dot name means Amit, Dinesh, Rishita, Sneha, Samyak. So this is something like a series. I mean, df is a 2D structure. When I'm writing df dot name, that means we are talking about only this single column. So this single column can be assumed like a series having these 5 values with this indexes. You can see when I'm writing df dot name, then the output will be like this: Amit, Dinesh, Rishita, Sneha, Samyak with their indexes. So what we can see, this is something like a series. What is this? Series having this data item, having these indexes. So within this series, we can say the default index of Amit is 0, Dinesh is 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I'm writing df.name 0, it is displaying the first element, that is Amit. You can see the output is Amit. Suppose I'm writing here name 1, then it will display Dinesh, because this is a second value. So here I'm providing the default indexes. Instead of this, suppose I'm providing the user defined indexes like B, df.name, then in double quotes B, then what will it will print? It will print again Dinesh. So I can use the system indexes, or I can use a user defined indexes. Suppose I want to use user defined indexes, then I have to use this double quotes. And suppose I'm using default indexes, then I have to provide it is by default. So when I'm doing print, I'm sending in your group also print df.names, then output is Dinesh. Okay. When I'm providing here, suppose 2, then what it will do? Providing Rishit. So I can provide the default indexes, or I can provide a particular value. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? So basically, this is a method by which I can access the particular value in a data frame. Now, this will do like previous method also. Suppose I'm writing df dot name, then suppose A, or suppose C equal to. Okay, let's see what it will refers to. Df dot name C. It will refers to the data frame in the data frame df having the column name, and in the name column having the index C. So you can see this is the entire data frame. The data frame having the column name, in this column having the index C. That means it will refers to this Rishita value. df dot name C. Now suppose what I'm doing here, suppose I'm writing here any names for Tony. df dot name C Tony. Then I'm printing print df. What it will do? What it will do? Any guess in this?
ऋषिता का नाम टोनी से रिप्लेस हो जाएगा.
हाँ, रिशिता की जगह पर टोनी आ जाएगा. So I'm printing the entire data frame. So you can see here instead of Rishita there is Tony. So this is the way by which we can access the particular element in the data frame, and we can change also. Suppose we want to change any value, then we can change. Okay. Now suppose I want to change instead of this 15, there should be 500. Instead of this 15, there should be 500. Then what should I write? Samyak, what should I write? Instead of this 15, I want 500.
सर सम्यक ने तो लेफ्ट कर दिया है ना.
अच्छा, तो कोई बता दो.
क्या बताना है सर?
in roll number column there is a element 15. Instead of this 15 I want 500.
नेम की जगह रोल नंबर लिख दो और ब्रैकेट में
सर
15
तो
आ जाएगा।
कोड होगा df डॉट
उसकी
रोल
जगह
नंबर
equals to
हाँ, df dot roll number
और
then
स्क्वायर
e,
ब्रैकेट में होगा e
e good
और यहाँ पर होगा इज इक्वल टू 500.
is equal to 500. Very good. So now here you can see this output. So there is this 500. Okay, any doubt in this? So this is a method by which we can change the